Yes, for every mitzvah you do, you're going to get your reward. Even if you are Yasser Arafat, you're going to get your reward. Everyone gets his reward. Everyone, even the worst goyim in history, when they do something right, they got, the Gemara brings us, Nebuchadnezzar, he made 3 steps to honor Hashem. That's it, 3 steps. Him and his son and his grandson controlled the whole world 70 years. 70 years, everyone in the world paid him taxes. Everybody. They occupied the whole world, these Babylonians. Why? For 3 steps he got up from his chair. He went to the messenger. He took the letter that he wrote to the king Chizkiyahu. He put Hashem in the end of the sentence. So now he fixed it to the God of the Jews and to the king Chizkiyahu and to the people of Jerusalem and to the people of Israel. He made it in the right order. Before he put God in the end of the sentence. Now he fixed it. He put it first God, then the king, then the people. That's all he did. 70 years of control. Now let's think together. A Jew, regular Jew, he gets up in the morning, he walks to the synagogue, 20 blocks, 45 minutes walk. It's very easy with the car. Start the car, 2 minutes you're there. Big temptation. How can I come to the synagogue by making the worst sin in the Torah, starting the car? How can it be such thing? To create fire against Hashem's instruction? So, I'm not going to do it. So I walk 45 minutes. Rain, snow, humidity, hot, sweating, freezing. It's not comfortable. Every 3 steps that you make, you deserve at least the same reward like this Nazi Nebuchadnezzar got. You agree with me or no? You deserve much more than him. But let's be on a safe side. I walk now. 1, 2, 3. But I have another 3,000 steps to go to the shul. I made 3 steps. I'm going to honor Hashem, to sing Hallelujah. Right? So I made 3 steps. Already I deserve to control the whole world for 70 years. I made another 3 steps, 140 years. Another 3 steps, 210 years. By the time I get to the shul, I own this world for 1 billion years. Back and forth. So Hashem cannot pay me control on the whole world for 1 billion years because the whole world is 6,000 years. And there are thousands of other Jews that walk to shul. So each one is going to get 1 billion years. How exactly Hashem can divide the cake to millions of people? What each one's going to get? A little crumb? That's why the reward of the mitzvot is not in this world. Because for one time you make a bracha on water or on an apple, one time, you already, Hashem, He owes you so much that He cannot even give it to you in this world. Because every time you make bracha again and again and again, how am I going to give you? So I give you a little bit, like crumbs. אוכל מפירותיהם בעולם הזה. You eat a little bit. But the keren, the main tree, is waiting for you for the next world. So when you make Shabbat Yom Chol, mechalelea, you make something that is holy, you turn it into not holy. Meaning you're going into a war with who? With the one that commanded that this must be holy.